The main reason I cook is to make people happy. And I love the gratification of the whole process from start to finish, starting here with raw ingredients and ending here with a meal. Kentucky influences my cooking through primarily through ingredients, but also through historic recipes. One of my favorite traditional dishes from Kentucky is a pan-fried rabbit. So we're starting with a local rabbit, and we'll wrap that loin in bacon, we'll pan roast that, and we have like a little bourbon, a little mustard that goes into the sauce, and then we serve that with a mushroom barley and like slow-cooked cabbage. Cabbage and noodles or cabbage and sausage. Cabbage is a big side dish. One thing that makes Kentucky food really special for us as a culture is that it brings together agriculture and Kentucky culture. Kentucky is incredibly beautiful. We have this little place that we're hanging on to for all we're worth that's unique to where we are. And it's this amazing intersection of history and bourbon culture and distilling culture and the horse industry and the thoroughbred culture, and they all intersect in rural Kentucky. My dream of cooking for a community and knowing the people at my tables, and there's no greater thing in life when you're a chef.